Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your domain is registered with Google Domains and you want to use it with Squarespace, in this video I will show you exactly how to do it step by step, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go and log into Google Domains. Go to domains.google.com, select your domain. After this, open the DNS settings. Click DNS from the left menu. As for now, we're gonna go and look for Squarespace on our search bar. Tap on Squarespace here, log in using your email address and password. Then go all the way to settings or the small gear icon. Select domains and email from here. Then go to domains, register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domain sellers. Tap on this one, then tap on use the domain I own. After this, all you're gonna do is basically paste it. Then copy the Squarespace DNS records. You will see multiple A records and one C name. Add the custom records in Google Domains. Paste the A records and C name exactly as provided. Remove any existing records. I'm talking here about deleting parking or forwarding records if present. Save all the changes by confirming all records are saved correctly and properly. Then wait for the connection. DNS changes may take up to 48 hours max to apply. As a small tips, Google Domains is fast. Most connections finish within hours, so don't really worry about that. Avoid switching name servers and keep the SSL auto enabled after the connection. And that's basically it, so thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.